So obviously, the natural conflict in car accident cases, really any personal injury case, is the insurance companies have a vested interest in not paying out on claims any more than they have to. Um, in Colorado, we have something called bad faith laws. What this means is the insurance companies have a duty to their insureds to act in good faith. These laws generally only apply to the insureds, so your insurance policy, your insurance company, rather than somebody hits you, they're at fault. Their insurance company, they don't owe you anything, but your insurance company, you signed a contract with them, you paid them premiums, you paid them something up front. They've got to give you the other side of that agreement back. Otherwise, why would you sign that contract? But you did, and you paid them the money. And with insurance companies, it's not like you hired a contractor to work on your kitchen and remodel it. Insurance companies are essentially giant piles of money, and they want to keep being a giant pile of money. And so it's in their best interests to hire attorneys to fight your claims, to avoid paying on your claims, to avoid paying claims to other people for maybe a wreck that you caused. And so the legislature realized, look, this isn't a fair fight. The insurance companies have this giant pile of money. They can fight you forever. And you contributed to that pile of money when you paid your premiums. So that's not fair. So rather than just give you the typical breach of contract type remedies where you could sue them and fight forever under contract law, Colorado said we've got to balance this out and make it a little bit of a fair fight. So we're going to describe specifically what they have to do, what their duty is to act in good faith towards you. And along with that, not only do they have to perform certain duties, but if they don't, then we're going to add special kinds of damages. We're going to make it worse than just a regular contract dispute. We're going to make it more expensive for them to do the wrong thing, to try to encourage them to do the right thing. So despite those laws being out there, the insurance companies still are highly motivated to look at their own interests, to still devalue your own personal claims on your policy for uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, for medical payments coverage, if you've got PIP or property damage claims. They're still incentivized because a lot of people aren't going to fight the claims. A lot of people don't know what to do, especially if you don't hire an attorney. You probably don't know what to do. And even if you hired an attorney who doesn't have a lot of knowledge or expertise about bad faith laws in Colorado, you may not get a good result. And so the insurance companies are willing to take that risk and gamble a lot on their own hand and see what kind of results they can get for themselves. So when you have a claim that involves your own policy, an uninsured or underinsured motorist policy claim, it's really important that you have an attorney on your side who is experienced, who is knowledgeable, who has expertise dealing with bad faith claims. It's really the kind of thing where you've got to start from the beginning, holding the insurance company accountable. If you hire an attorney at the 11th hour, chances are you've missed a lot of opportunities to pursue those bad faith claims or to pursue them to the maximum that you could under the law. And so I always tell people, if you've got a claim that involves your own policy, you absolutely need to have an attorney on your side, and you need to have a personal injury attorney who's qualified to handle that claim and help you get the compensation you deserve.